You're watching Marketing Midday, brought to you by RivalMind, a results-driven digital marketing agency.
It's Monday, September 12th, and these are the headlines.
First up, 40% of young people are searching on TikTok instead of Google. Could TikTok replace the search juggernaut?
Native post scheduling is coming to LinkedIn, which will allow users to schedule their post for a specific time.
72% of US businesses are B2B, and according to Marketing Week, the next 100 years will be all about B2B marketing.
With the rise of TikTok, you might think Gen Z has vacated all other social media apps, but Facebook still boasts the most active Gen Z users.
57% of consumers say they are unlikely to buy from a brand that doesn't respond to reviews. How should your brand respond to positive and negative reviews? Those are our top 5 headlines of the week. A deeper dive into each of these stories coming up next.
I'm Jamie.
And I'm Matt. Thank you for watching Marketing Midday, your source for the latest digital marketing news. Nearly 40% of young people use TikTok and Instagram as their first stop when searching. Does this mean TikTok could replace Google? According to Moz, TikTok is taking market share from Google in the areas of food, gardening, and travel. Users can scroll through content that answers their queries on TikTok seamlessly, without having to open multiple tabs or continually go back to the Google search results page, which may be a reason young people prefer it over Google. Social proof abounds on TikTok, with the number of likes, views, and comments visible for everyone to see, which may be another reason young people use it for searches related to food and travel. For marketers in select industries, TikTok may be the perfect place to answer your target market's queries through short-form video.
According to Social Media Today, LinkedIn is working on a native post scheduling option which will allow users to schedule posts directly within the post composer. While users can currently schedule their LinkedIn posts through third-party social media management apps, native posting and scheduling is typically more reliable and provides more accurate post previews. LinkedIn hasn't announced when the schedule feature will be rolled out, but you can bet this will impact LinkedIn marketing strategies for a majority of users.
In the last 100 years, marketers were tasked with making vacuum cleaners popular, making a washing machine seem simple, and making car insurance funny. The growth of B2C companies throughout the last 100 years can be attributed to marketers. According to a recent opinion piece from Marketing Week, the next 100 years are going to be all about B2B brands. 72% of businesses in the United States are B2B companies, with B2B sales over $9 trillion each year. The fastest growing companies don't sell consumer products, they sell workflow management solutions and cybersecurity software. Engineers once needed marketing to make vacuum cleaners popular. Now they need marketers to make robotic process automation popular, and the thousands of other B2B products and services in the market today and beyond.
Monthly active users and daily active users are 2 of the most common metrics when reporting on social media apps. But should marketers look beyond these numbers? With the rise of TikTok, it may come as a surprise that Facebook still boasts the highest number of monthly active users in the Gen Z demographic, according to Social Media Today. But just because Gen Z is logging onto Facebook doesn't mean they are engaging with content and spending enough time to see ads. Marketers should be more concerned with the time spent in the app and the amount of engagement from users over number of monthly active users. It may also surprise you to know that young Gen X and older millennials spend 25% more time on social media than Gen Z. Marketers should dig a little deeper than just monthly active users when deciding the best platform to reach their target markets.
According to Crazy Egg, 57% of consumers say they are unlikely to buy from a brand that doesn't respond to reviews. But responding to reviews takes time and resources. And how do you deal with the negative reviews? Monitoring multiple channels is the first place to start, as a user can leave reviews in multiple places. When responding, acknowledge the problem and make your response specific to the reviewer's issue. Show you care. This is important both to win over the upset customer, but also to show potential customers that you take care of problems. Fix the issue with action. Tell the customer how you fixed the problem, or if you've reached out to another team to have the issue resolved. Be organized in your approach. A canned response will seem insincere, but having an outline for answers will ensure you won't miss any part of a great response. A good outline includes an apology, an acknowledgement of the problem, thanking the customer, offering a workaround where possible, or carefully managing a handoff to the right team. People are more likely to leave a negative review after a bad experience than a positive review after a good experience. So it's important to generate positive reviews by asking your customers for feedback. Those are our top 5 stories of the week. Be sure to follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram, and join our mailing list to stay up to date.
Thank you for watching Marketing Midday. Tune in next Monday for the latest digital marketing news.